Hello and welcome to today's session of MCQs on spectroscopy. So your exams are approaching, so I thought that I'll put one more MCQ on spectroscopy, so which can help you in your final exam. First example is IR 1720. Then PMR is given 6.2 broad singlet 1 proton, 5.5 broad singlet 1 proton, 4.2 quartet 2 proton, 2 singlet 3 protons, 1.1 triplet 3 proton. So you have to find out which structure is correct. 4.2 is going to suggest that it can be either B or D. The other things are ruled out. Okay. Out of these two, like here alpha and beta, both will be beta, so that is they are going to be similar, but in this case 2.1 2 singlet 3 proton is given by this compound, this methyl group. This is going to be 4.2 quartet, this is going to be 1.1 triplet. On the basis of these three, you can easily say that compound D is correct. The other, they are close but they are not correct. So the correct option is last. Okay. Now the second example. The order of carbonyl stretching frequency for the following compound is. Now this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl, so you can see resonance. In this case it is reverse conjugation. In this case, if this comes here, this will be out of plane, so the conjugation is inhibited. So the first will be one with reverse conjugation, second will be this one, and this is the last one. So B is greater than C, C is greater than A, so this option is correct. Okay. Now next one is, there are two groups you have to match. These are wrong match, but you have to find out which is correct. This is 5-membered ketone, 5-membered lactone, and this is anhydride, the 5-membered anhydride. Now here we have to see that lactone is 1745, this one, this anhydride is 1865, and this is 1710. So 1710 means it is simple ketone, 1745 the lactone, and anhydride would be highest. So anhydride, the option is going to be 1B, 2C and 3A, that is correct. Rest are incorrect. Okay, the next example or next MCQ is PMR 7.38, like the doublet, 7.25 doublet, 1.29 singlet. Now doublet is the characteristic of paradise substituted thing. So here Br and tertiary butyl group, this is the correct option. These two are going to give doublet, whereas this is going to be 1.29 singlet. So 7.25 will be this proton, and 7.38 the one with halogen next to it. So your correct option has to be A. Okay. Now moving on to Number 5, IR 32702180, molecular formula C5H8O2. PMR is important. 1.3, 4.3. This is CH3 having CH2 as a neighbor. CH2 having CH3 as a neighbor, but on the other side it has got the ester, so that reverse conjugation can put CH2 proton at 4.3. This is the astellinic proton, that 2.5 to 2.8, that is the region. And then if you look at these two, this looks promising because OCH2 CH3, that CH2 has to be 4.3. This cannot be 4.3. In fact, this should be 2.4. These two are out of contention. Okay. Then next one is PMR 8.75, 8.75, 2 protons, and CMR 163, 137 and 128. Those things are there, so you have to find out the correct structure. Okay, so PMR 8.75, 2 protons. So we have got only 2 protons. Here there are 4 protons, so this is ruled out. In fact, there are more proton, 4 plus 2, 6 protons, so this is ruled out. Okay, here also there are 6 hydrogens, so this is also ruled out. Here four hydrogens, so this is also ruled out. This is the one where you have 2 hydrogens on aromatic ring and they are having electron withdrawing group on either side, so 8.75 can be assigned to this. Moreover, in addition to that, let me put the structure once again here. This is going to be on the other side also, we have the anhydride part. Okay, now this carbon, and this carbon. Okay, let me put the types. This is C, E, B, C, and C. So there are 3 types. These two are same, these two are same, like this 4 carbons are identical, so that is one set. These two are identical, that is second set, and these two, in fact this also we have to buy. There are 3, so 167 is this one. Let us put those values also. 167 is this one, 137 is this one, and the middle one is 128. So this compound is correct, so that is your structure number C. That is correct because this can explain PMR as well as CMR. Remaining compounds cannot, so they are ruled out, so they are incorrect options for us. 7th MCQ is ESI and MALDI belongs to which of the following techniques? Whether they are detection techniques, analytical technique, analysis, acceleration or ionization. So these are ionization techniques, and because they belongs to mass spectrometry. In mass spectrometry there are various ionization techniques: electron ionization, MALDI matrix assisted laser desorption ionization technique. There are so many like fast atom bombardment, and so on. So these are some ionization techniques which are used. Impact ionization is also there, that is EI, that is electron beam is bombarded, and then all those techniques, they are ionization techniques which are generally used in mass spectrometry. Then last one is FTIR record a signal in which domain? Time domain, frequency domain, both A and C, A and B, and none of these. So it is time domain. Frequency domain is not applicable here because we are not varying the frequency, that is applicable to NMR, but this time domain is important here. FTIR, Fourier transform, infrared spectroscopy is working on this principle. Okay. That's all for today. All the best for your exam. Thank you.